Hey folks, it's that time for another small fall table. You know the harvest is coming in. That's what we're keying on today. Come on over and let's get a beautiful fall table on right here. And first I want to show you what I'm going to use in the table today. Today it's all about the harvest, and we've got our wonderful fruit print in 60% cotton in a 70-inch tablecloth, 70-inch diameter round. Okay, we're going to use a really cool vase today in what I'd call a Victorian era style with fruit. Then our gold flatware, of course. Then something we have not seen yet this year. I call it an unusual intermediate color of flowers that almost doesn't fit in any season except its own, which is, I think, fall. It has this rusty tips on the leaves like it's turning. Then, if you remember this tablecloth, when I bought it online, it came with 6 cloth napkins. So we're going to make sure we get those in our table. Then, our great friend Nancy Greenberg from upstate New York just got these here in time. Though we have many sets of Bavarian plates, this particular one we did not have, and look at the shell pattern on the outside, just staggering. The HUTSCHENREUTHER, and this is so difficult for me to get a focus with one hand, but we're going to get it done. I have to put it down a second. Just gorgeous. Nancy, we thank you very much, and they're wonderful, fabulous, and the colors are staggering. Hopefully you'll agree with the table today. Our underplate or dinner plate today is our standard plain for a nice plain background by IKEA in a typical 10-inch plate. Then, of course, we're going to have our gold charger. We're going to have an Apple Harvest Bavarian drink pitcher, an olive oil decanter with peppers. We're going to use a Lennox leaf dish that you saw me get in a haul from an estate sale for our tomatoes. And I think that goes because of the dessert plates or salad plate. And another little twist is our beautiful deep red glass Fenton hobnail candlesticks, and they're going to have white candles. We'll have our all backup crystal cracker dish, and we have a 6th plate for our cheese in the German HUTSCHENREUTHER. Okay, let's get going. Won't take long. We're going to go with some of these toasty rose. Let's get those in first. See where we're at. And we'll like some different heights. real unusual color, actual changing, turning greens. I thought it'd be perfect for this table. And we have a couple dahlia that are just finishing the season. And I'm not going to overdo the centerpiece, but we will want a couple highlighters in there to show that this is the fall season. Here's some rose hips that shows that that branch of roses is all done for the year. And maybe a piece of barley branch here. A couple more dahlia and a little lighter bit there. Okay guys, hey, I told you it wasn't going to be a big long deal so far. Now, yes, it's very colorful and some people would not choose that, but we're going to see how that works with everything else we're doing today. Chargers on. Then I'm going to get that dinner plate on there. Get that turned just right. Now some of you might remember, because I forgot to show this, there's the sugar, lidded, there's the creamer. How about a napkin? Let's go under the plate. Now it just so happens that our cute friend Morgana Turcotte sent these Crystal d'Art lemonade glasses. Now we're motoring right along, getting this table done. Look at this, how that worked out with the pears. Pears on the plate, pears on the napkin. And we have a ton of ancillary things, but I've decided, I can't hardly do a table with only one glass, so we're going to have another drink glass. How are we doing? Oh man. It's looking so cute. Where would our beverage pitcher fit in? Probably a good placement there. For people that are waiting, I find that works out really good. We'll get that in. Now for just after, we're going to have a tea or a coffee, depending on, what everybody wants. And the sweetest candles going on. Get them where they don't bother anybody, but try to space them out over the table. I may possibly have to take you now and show you all around. So folks, if you liked our small table for fall today in the Victorian harvest design, give us a like, a share, a comment, send a buddy over. Hey, get your inspiration on. What have you done for yourself to increase your fine living lately? It doesn't take that much more. A little bit of effort. Get out of the recliner and get your fine living boosted on. Take care, everybody. We'll see you soon in the next amazing, of course, over the top, enjoyable, and fun decorator video. Take care. See you soon.